Hi friends, today I'm going to show you an easy egg curry or egg masala recipe. This is a very good substitute for a chicken curry or a mutton curry when you don't have meat available at home. It goes very well with rice, roti, chapatti or naan and tastes equally good as any chicken curry or a mutton curry. We are going to make it with boiled eggs. Hope you like it. Let's look at the ingredients. Here I have taken about 5 organic eggs, 1 small potato which I have diced into small cubes like this, 1 medium onion and I have chopped it into big pieces, 1 big tomato also chopped into big pieces, store-bought egg masala powder, some salt to taste, half a teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of Kasuri methi or fenugreek, 2 teaspoons of cumin and coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, some curry leaves, hing, some nutmeg powder, some cardamom powder and 3 teaspoons of red chili powder. First I'm going to puree the tomatoes and onions, so in a grinder just make a puree like this. Next I'm going to boil the eggs, so just add some water to the eggs and boil them for about 5 to 7 minutes. To make the curry I am using a deep wok, so put the flame to medium high and add about 7 to 8 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the cumin seeds and as they start to crackle, add some hing. Just give it a toss and carefully add the onions and tomato puree. So be very careful, as you know it's watery and water as it touches oil it kind of splutters, so be very careful. Give it a good mix. As it starts to boil, add in the ginger and garlic paste. Mix it well. We are going to fry this puree on a medium-high flame, so cover it and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. After about 5 minutes or so, again give it a mix. Keep stirring it, sauteing it for 2 to 3 minutes like this. After 7 minutes or so, open it and use the lid to kind of cover it and mix it. We are going to follow the same process again for another 5 to 7 minutes. So after about 7 minutes, mix it well and now we'll add the potatoes. Add the curry leaves. Now we'll add all the spices. Add in cumin and coriander powder, store-bought egg masala powder, red chili powder and some turmeric. Now add salt to taste. Now fry everything really well. Mix all the spices in the puree. So saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now let all the spices mix in, so cover and cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes. After 5 minutes you notice that a lot of water has evaporated, so I'm just going to add about a cup of water. Mix it well. The curry has started to get a good boil. Add some more water if you like. Cover for about a minute or 2. After 2 minutes you notice that nicely the oil layer has started to form on the curry. The curry is now ready and just give it a mix before we drop in the boiled eggs. It's smelling amazing in here. Now here I'm going to poke the eggs so that all the masala kind of immerses in the boiled eggs, and then similarly kind of do for all the remaining eggs and drop in the masala. As you mix, be very gentle. You don't want to break the eggs, so take your time and mix it. My curry has become a little more thick, so I'm just adding half a cup of water. Mix it really well. Now we'll drop in some kasuri methi. This gives a nice flavor to the curry. Add some nutmeg powder and mix it really gently. Cover and cook for about a minute or two. Let's open and check. Wow, they look amazing. The egg curry or the egg masala is now ready. Let's garnish it with some coriander leaves. The consistency of the curry has come out really well. The eggs have also kind of soaked all the masala really well. Let's go ahead and serve it hot. Enjoy this curry with rice, roti or a naan. It tastes amazing. Hope you liked today's recipe. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.